Welcome to Network News. Shropshire Precision made connector rods in 6082 T6. They made a regular batch of connecting rods ready for delivery to a scientific instrument customer. They drilled and tapped M3 at each end before 2 milled flats, a cross drill and engraving of the component's number around the circumference. Another fantastic story from Shropshire Precision, some nice brackets. A batch of 5 brackets for a top-line customer ready for delivery before the end of the month, made from 6082 aluminium. Clayden Precision joins MTD Network. Not only will this give them the opportunity to showcase some of their great work that they do, but they will also be able to provide some really high competitive quotes for any inquiries received. And that's all for Network News. I'm Gina Tara. Good night. It smells like party poppers.